Welcome back, my friend. Today, I am going to explain everything about be, been, and being in 99 real sentences for you to use in your English learning and practice your shadowing. You are going to learn 3 forms of the most important verb in English, the verb to be. You hear them every day, in movies, in music, in real conversations. I am going to show you the comparison every time, step by step, clear and simple. Let's go. The rule: be. You use it to say who you are, where you are, or how you feel. Right now. I am tired. She is at home. They are happy. Been. You use it with have or has. It talks about an experience, something that started in the past and is still true now. I have been at school for 3 years. She has been sick since Monday. Being. You use it with is, am, are, was, were. It shows how someone is acting, their behavior in a moment. He is being kind. She was being very strange. Now, check out 99 comparative sentences so you never forget how to use them again. I am at school now. I have been at school for 7 years. I am being a good student today. He is at the hospital now. He has been at the hospital for 2 days. He is being very brave today. He is at work right now. He has been at work since 7 a.m. He is being very productive today. They are at home today. They have been at home all week. They are being very quiet this afternoon. I am at the gym now. I have been at the gym for 1 hour. I am being very disciplined today. He is at the library right now. He has been at the library for 2 hours. He is being extremely focused today. The kids are at the park now. The kids have been at the park since noon. The kids are being very energetic today. We are at the restaurant now. We have been at the restaurant for 45 minutes. We are being very patient with the waiter. He is at the airport right now. He has been at the airport for 3 hours. He is being very calm despite the delay. He is at the office today. He has been at the office for 5 years. He is being very professional in this meeting. They are at church now. They have been at church for 1 hour. They are being respectful and silent. I am at the beach today. I have been at the beach since morning. I am being very careful with the sun. He is a teacher now. He has been a teacher for 10 years. He is being very patient with the new students. He is the boss of this company. He has been the boss for 6 months. He is being very strict this week. He is a great friend. He has been a great friend for years. He is being so kind to me today. He is the team leader now. He has been a team leader since January. He is being very decisive in this crisis. They are parents now. They have been parents for 3 years. They are being very loving with their child today. He is a volunteer at the shelter. He has been a volunteer for 2 years. He is being incredibly helpful this weekend. I am a student at this university. I have been a student here for 2 semesters. I am being very attentive in today's class. He is a doctor at this hospital. He has been a doctor for 15 years. He is being extremely careful with this patient. He is a chef at a famous restaurant. He has been a chef for 8 years. He is being very creative with tonight's menu. He is the driver today. He has been the driver for this company for years. He is being very careful on this rainy road. He is the manager of this store. He has been the manager for 1 year. He is being very fair with all employees today. He is sick today. He has been sick for 3 days. He is being very strong despite the pain. He is happy right now. He has been happy since he got the job. He is being very cheerful with everyone today. I am nervous now. I have been nervous all morning. I am being too hard on myself today. He is busy at the moment. He has been busy since Monday. He is being very efficient with his time today. He is angry right now. He has been angry since yesterday. He is being very unfair to his colleagues today. They are tired now. They have been tired all day. They are being very quiet because of it. He is excited about the trip. He has been excited since last week. He is being very enthusiastic about everything today. He is careful with money. He has been careful with money his whole life. He is being especially cautious with this investment. He is honest with his team. He has been honest since the beginning. He is being very transparent in this meeting. The children are loud today. They have been loud since they arrived. They are being very disruptive in class right now. He is helpful at work. He has been helpful throughout the entire project. He is being particularly generous with his time today. Final review. 1 verb, 3 forms, 48 sentences. Be, right now, who you are, where you are, how you feel. I am tired. She is at school. We are late. Been, the past that is still true. Use it with have or has. I have been here for 2 weeks. She has been sick since Monday. Being, how someone is acting right now, their behavior in this moment. He is being so kind. Stop being so hard on yourself. You practiced all 3 today, in real situations, with real sentences. Keep repeating, keep listening, write these sentences in a notebook.
Writing helps a lot with memorizing new structures and words. Write your own story using be, been, and being, and come back to the comments and tell us the result. And while you're here, leave a suggestion for what you want me to explain in the next video. I will see you there.